introduction of hooks. So hooks will take place in advanced React, like use state, use effect, use ref, use context. Okay, so these are the things that comes under uh, advanced hooks. Okay, React hooks, and also use callback. So these are the things. Okay, so the first one is use state. Okay, so we have saw yesterday the use state, right? So the same thing. Use state allows you to add and manage data inside functional component. Okay, so that's the definition of use state, and we'll be seeing the new one. So here is use effect. So this use effect is the same as for the life cycle component of class component. Do you remember the same thing? So what did component did mount does here, it's done by use effect. Okay, so same thing, whatever the component did mount does, so it will be done by use effects in functional component. So it is used to fetch the data, side effect, render the function. Okay, like setting up the subscription and timer. So based on this, so the use effect hooks will be used. Okay, so as well you also know the use ref. So it is a reference to a DOM element. Okay, and there is a one more thing call use context. So what is this? Okay, event of passing a data from one component to another component. So component, right, passing a data. So instead of, if you want to call the data in a particular page, okay, then you have to import it using the use context. Okay, so that is also known as props drilling. So that's the concept of props drilling. Okay, so now what we are going to see is, okay, so now we are going to use state. Okay, how we are going to use state inside an array. Okay, I'm going to set a state as array value, and then I'm going to call it using the use effect. I'm going to use an JSON variable. Okay, API service. Okay, so from that I'm going to get a response. I'm going to display in terms of uh in a card component. Okay, so this is how we are going to do today. So basic live experience, how we are going to fetch the data and use the map concept. Okay, how we are you going to use the map, and how we are going to use the sorting. Okay, how we are going to filter. Okay, and then these are the things are going to take place today. Okay, just okay, let's get started now. Okay, so just give me a second. Yeah, right. Okay, is my screen visible to you? Just raise your hand,
Yes,
guys.
bro.
Okay.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Second. Okay, now. So the first thing what I have done here is I'm using the state management. Okay, so we'll go by step as of now. Okay, I'm not going to rush there. So first one, create a folder. Okay, I have already created a folder here for advanced React. So what we are going to see, and here I'm going to give any file name called state management. Okay, so now what I have to do is RAFCA import the predefined template for React. Okay, creating one. So I have defined this as state management. Okay, now
Uh, one
yes,
question.
yes, go ahead.
Like you have given two assignment, no?
Yes.
In that, see, whenever you are opening this JSX file, so
Okay.
you have to go to terminal, and that that React icon will come. No, from that you have to start. Or so I am doing coding, but that file I'm not able to run it in this terminal.
Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Just wait a second. Okay. Just give me a minute. Now you have been connected through your laptop, right?
Ah,
Yeah. Okay. Can you just share your screen?
laptop. One second. One second.
Are you there, Monica? Yeah, okay. Okay, right. I will look into that, Monica. Okay. After the end of the class, okay, you just connect me. Okay, stay in the call. Oh, I just get to I just check that what is the issue, why you are. That's okay, no issue. Okay. Yeah, I'll check through it after the end of the class. You just stay in the call. Okay. Okay, we'll proceed to the class now. Okay. So where were you? Okay. So first, what I have done is I created an advanced React folder, and then I'm going to give the state management a file name. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I just imported a template for React that's called state management. So now the first thing I'm going to set a variable. Okay, constant. First one I'm going to write data, comma set data, which is I'm going to fetch is from my API. So use state. Okay, so here you have to, for use state, for form things we have been given an empty string, right? So here for an data fetching you have to mention as array. So return a stateful value and a function to update it. Okay, so you have to mention an array. So now what you have to do is, okay, the first part has been completed. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is, okay, Dave, give me a second. So here the bootstrap comes for the card structure, the whatever I'm going to map, I'm going to map it using the card value. Okay, for now I'm going with inside a bootstrap. So let me go with step by step. So the first one is, okay, so what I'm going to do is I have to get this one, copy this, and where I have to paste this is go to my public folder, sorry, my index.html. So here I have to mention at the top of the page. Okay, so I'm just importing my bootstrap, and now the bootstrap has been imported. So now what I'm going to do is the first thing will be the class name, and it will be called as container. Okay, so now then, so now what I'm going to do is already I have given a container. Okay, so here I'm going for another div, and the class name will be the card. Okay, closing it, and then I'm going to give another div. The class name will be the card body. Okay. Then I'm going to give h4 class name card title. Okay, so here, so that's gonna be the class name. Okay, so now, okay, so right, so what I have done is, so just now a basic scenario here. So I have given an HTML file. Okay, So already it is running. So I have to import this in my handling page. Okay. So what I'm going to do is right now I'm going to comment this. We are just focusing on side effects, rendering, use effect, and use ref, use context. Okay. So these are the things, including the bootstrap. Okay. Right now I have to use my state, yeah, state management. I'm importing this. Okay. Okay. Right. So yeah, so now it's okay. So let me check. So I have given a card using the bootstrap. Okay. Before that, after this end of the class, on Monday, I'm going to teach you the bootstrap. Okay. From now, after this topic, the bootstrap is going to play a pivotal part. Okay. Is that clear, everyone? Just raise your hand, guys, if you're clear with it. Great. Okay. So I'll be teaching you bootstrap on Monday. Okay. So now what I have done is I have just imported a page. Okay. State management. So here, how I'm going to fetch my data. So yeah, so there is a two scenario. One is Axios and one is Fetch. What is an Axios? So what is an Axios? Axios is a promise-based HTTP client used in React, okay, to send HTTP requests to the API. So that is the Axios method, okay. So how we are going to use Axios in terms of fetching a data and sending through it in the response, okay. So how we are going to do? So for that one, so you have to install Axios, okay. Over here in your folder, okay, npm run dev, sorry, give me a second, already is running. Okay, okay, so I have to install the node, I have to install the npm package, okay, pd Besant npm install post Axios. So why I am this installing is I'm going to install the node modules. Without this node module, you are not going to run the React application. So there are various npm packages. So these are the things like npm packages like Axios, like Razorpay, SHA, password keys. So then moving on to the component React Strap, Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS. So these are the component and packages that can be installed using npm install -force, and whatever the package name you have to give it and you have to install. Okay, so I'm installing Axios right now. Okay, so yeah, I have installed the Axios. So you have to check whether the Axios been installed or not, the packages node module. So you have to go to package.json and you have to check here. Yeah, we have installed the Axios. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to fetch a data in the Axios using the use state, a use effect. So first one is there are two methods you can able to fetch the data. One is inside directly the use effect, or if you want to create a code well structure with the help of a separate function, that function can also be able to import inside the use effects. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the step by step method, the proper practical method. Okay, so what I have to do is now I'm going here constant. First I'm going to get all product value. Okay, get all products. So this is the I'm going to fetch first one. So go here. Before that, okay, I'm going to give asynchronous. Okay, so I'm going to call await. So for the uh, promises for error handling. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is await. If I giving asynchronous, you have to give await. So then you have to give axios dot get. So dummy, I'm just going to give you a dummy API, sir. Okay, so what I have to do is import first one. I have to install Axios, Axios from Axios. Okay, I've just imported this. So now I have to give my dummy API file. So what I will be doing, so there is lot of dummies API file. So go there, write it fake API. Okay. So here you have to copy this. Okay. So this is dummy API as of now. Okay. I'm going to retrieve the value from here. So what I have to do is dot then catch. So here you have to mention an error. Okay, the parameters. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a React toaster. So not toaster, that will I come to the later. Console dot error. So error. Okay. So here I'm going to give my response now. First, let me check whether I'm getting my values or not. So console.log of res. Why this is res means I'm calling my parameter, okay, inside a then promises, okay, a callback, a resolution of promises, okay. So here I'm going to give my res. So from here the data will be fetched. I'm going inside a console, okay. Before that, setting into the set state, okay. So now I have to check this whether I'm getting or not. For that, you have to mention a value, you know, okay, I'm going to mention where a product. So I just giving the definition name. So now what I have to do is this is not going to fetch the product. So if we want to fetch the product, you have to use the use effect. So here now the use effect comes take place. Go ahead. Okay. And first what you have to do is get sorry. Okay. So here you have to go get, you have to call this product service. Okay. And then we have to add a dependency array. So why I am adding this a dependency array means if you are not giving this, so what will happen? It keeps on rendering. I mean the value of product will be keep on rendering. So for that purpose, we have to give dependency array to control that. Okay, without n number of rendering. Is that clear, everyone? If you are clear, just raise your hand. Okay, good, great. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, okay, I have just called a use effect. So I also imported that. So let me check that whether I'm getting my JSON API or not. Just check. Here is an object. Yeah, I'm getting, see here, I'm getting the entire values here. Right? I'm getting my entire values. I'm getting all my product details value. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to fetch this each and everything inside my card component. I'm going to show. Okay. So how I'm going to do this? Okay. So now I needed name, title, I'm going with title, and then I'm going with a price. Okay. And give me a second. Okay. So I'm going with the price, and then I'm going with description. Okay. Yeah, I'm going with not category, just image, price, and I'm going with title as of now. Okay. So how I'm going to do this? So how I'm going to do this? Yeah. So the first one is, okay. Okay, let me close this. Okay. So now what I'm going to do here, already I fetched. Yeah, I'm getting my data. So now remove this. Okay. So you have to call set data. Okay. Otherwise you can able to call like this also. Declare a variable like constant product is equals to res from the then promises dot data. Why data? Because here we have saw it is inside a data array. Okay. So that I'm going to fetch here. So data. So now I am going to set this inside my use state of set data array. So set data, here I'm going to give my product. So this product will be assigned inside this. Okay. So now, is that clear everyone? So far, have you been clear how I'm using use effect and I'm how using my use state? Okay, in terms of array. Is that clear everyone? Just raise your hand if you're clear with it. Okay, okay. So now what I'm going to do is, so here I have completed n number of things. So now I want my card to be shown as a perfect UI. So how I'm going to use that? Okay, so I'm having the first one here, like see the entire page is here. Okay, so I want to break it into a 4 parts. So how I'm going to do this? So here the bootstrap grid will take place. So how you have to do this? Okay, first one go with inside a div in the div class name. So you have to mention row. Okay, so one row, each row I'm going to get a value of 4. So then div column, sorry, class name column md 3. So each will comes under 3 section. One row, it's a term of 12 grid. Okay. So don't worry guys, I'll teach you the bootstrap on Monday. Then you will be able to clearly understand. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. So now what I have done is I make a card here. So that will be converted into 4 cards at a time. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fetch my value. So where I'm going to fetch my values? Inside my row. Yeah, inside my row, I'm going to fetch my value. Yes. So how I'm going to fetch the values? Already I have set the data here. So what I have to do is go with data. Here, what will take place? Can just anyone tell me? So what kind of array will come here in this? Just anyone, guys. Hello.
Bro, what you ask?
So what I have asked is okay. So now I have already fetched the data using use effect, right? So inside a function. So now how I'm going to fetch this inside my component in UI. So what kind of array will be going to take place? What are the types of arrays?
Single dimensional the types,
Not
bro.
no, not one. So what I have taught you how you are going to fetch the data like filter, sum, find. Then there is another one for each.
Map. Yeah.
Yeah, great. We have to use map. Okay. Okay. So see here. So here what I'm going to do is dot map. Okay. So now opening up, closing this. Here I'm going to write my return statement for mapping value. So entire components goes inside this. Each row will take up 3 column for each card. So I will be getting 4 1. Okay, because this is a 12 grid concept. So yeah. So now what I'm going to do is product comma index. Remember, whenever you are mapping, you have to give key. Okay, you have to give index. So then only we can able to know whether whatever the data has been changed or not. So here what I'm going to do is the first one, go with this, all this product entire value, product dot title. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, I'm getting product here. Set data. Okay, product dot map. Wait, what happened here? So why I'm not getting anything. Yeah, see, can you see now here? I fetch all the 20 values, whatever that is inside the data. Okay. Is that clear, everyone? So now what I'm going to do is just give me a second. So here I'm going with my product dot. Okay. So here I have to mention data. Okay. In a second. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Okay. So now you guys clear. Okay. So here I can have also able to import my image. Okay. Just give me a second. So wherever I want, I can able to import image source. So here that is an image. So I have to give the width and height for that one. Okay. Column MD, and that's gonna be margin bottom 4, and then I'm going to give card, increase the height to 100. So now what I'm going to do is, okay, so inside a card, okay, so remove this, going to paste here. So the class name will be card hyphen image hyphen top, padding will be 3. Okay. So and then I'm going with my normal style inline one. So that's gonna be height, 100 pixel, object fit contain. Okay. And then, okay. So then what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to use span class name x primary. So here I'm going to fetch my size, sorry, price. Okay. So I have to give this. So I have to reduce this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use for dot slice meta. Okay. 0 comma, it will be 40, and that will be goes as, okay. So the name, and then
All these details are fetched from that fake API, yeah, that product
yes,
details.
yes.
You just have to give that link, so it will automatically take.
Yeah, this is how you are going to render. Okay, render the API service fetching the values in term of use effect. So what I'm teaching you is, okay, so in advanced React, the state management, so whatever are there. So we have some use of state, okay, you are thorough with use it. So how use effect has been used. So what is the purpose of using use effect? So then we'll move on to the use ref and then use constructs, okay. So each and everything will be live on session, okay. I was just explaining to you so that you can you can easily understand that. Is that clear?
Okay.
Yeah, great. So now what I'm going to do is here, I already given just 0 comma 40 and goes with, okay. So now I'm having my card, okay, all are same. So now what I'm going to do is I want to already I'm having this image, okay. So this is how we'll be fetching our data, okay, in terms of like in table, okay, otherwise in card. So table, where will be the, if you want to fetch the data in terms of table, so it will be used only in uh admin handle purpose, okay. If you want to create a if admin wants to create a product, okay, so there you will be using this table, okay. You can also map inside through the table, and then you can, for user experience and user perspective, for the user interactive, you can map using the card element, okay. Is that clear, everyone? If you're clear with this, just raise your hand, guys. Monica, are you clear now?
Ah,
Yeah, great. So now what I'm going to do, okay, it is in center, right? So let me make this as I want this to be in the left side. So okay. So instead of going with H4, let me use H5. So no need H. I'm using span itself. So that will be a better purpose. Okay. So now I'm okay with it. So here what I have to do is okay. Okay. In card body, I'm going with text card. So everything comes here. Remove this. Okay. So here I want to use font size A6 FW bold. Okay. Yeah. So I think due to this, I think due to this, okay. Okay, right. So we are good with this. Yeah. So now what I have to do is, okay. So this is how we'll be fetching a data. Okay. So this is how the use effects works here. So in this you can able to add more other things. Will become one by one. Okay. While we are working on it. Okay. Is that clear so far? Have you been clear how we are using use effect? Okay. If you are clear, let me know so that I can able to proceed with the use context. So how we have to use that. Hello, guys. Just raise your hand, guys. Okay. Great. So, I am going to ask you one questions, okay? So, if I want to search a particular value, okay, so what I have to give? So, how I'm going to use that? Can anyone, just anyone tell me that? So, how I'm going to use my function, I'm going to write the code. If I want, there is an values here, fetching the data. So, already data has been fetched. Now, I want to search the particular value. So, how I'm going to use that? What type of form event should be we have to use? Can anyone? Guys, come on, guys. Let's make this fun. I need response from you. So, okay. So, how we are going to do this? Okay. Let me go with. So, first you have to declare a use state for a search one. Okay. Search
So any
text.
query?
Yes. Query with the help of search. Set search text. Okay. So, now what I'm going to do is use state. I'm going to give empty. So now already we have fetched the data. Now I want to filter the data. Okay, so I'm going to filter with the help of this the name title what I'm going to include. Okay, inside that. So what I have to do is, so here either you can give it direct. You can give it like creating a new variable. Okay, and then you can able to map that, or if you want to give inside directly, okay, you can do it. So which is the best approach? I'll just tell you. Filter. Okay, so here I'm going to write here filter the product based on title. Okay, so now constant filter data is equals to So this should be called here data dot filter. I'm going to filter. Okay, so one of an array method. Okay, so here I'm going to call the product. So I'm going to fetch all the values. So whatever is inside a product. So then I'm going with, so what I want to search with. So product dot title. Okay, I'm going to call the title. Then that should be into lower case, whether I can give it is in uppercase as well as anything, any standard. So it will be shown a result. Okay. So then I have to add dot includes, I have to include this search text. So what I have declared here. Okay. So here CARCS search text dot to low to lowercase. Okay. Yeah. So now, okay, right. So what I have to do is go here, give it inside of data, because already I have just fetched that. Okay. So what I am doing is here, either I can able to give. Okay. So now it's everything. So I'm going to search the value. So what I have to do is here. So in the container, so now so the div, so open div class name. So that should be in margin bottom. Okay. So then open my input type will be text, placeholder will be like search product. Okay. And then going with class name, the bootstrap form control, and I have to give the value here. So value will be the search text. So what I have declared in useSet, and then I'm going for on change. On change. So that will be comes like targeting the element. Okay. So e dot. So before that you have to give set search text, then e dot target dot value, and then close this. So here I am having the search. So if I want to search means, so for fetch one, so means cotton. Now do you guys understand? So how I am going to filter the values in terms of service API? If you are clear now, others, let's raise your hand guys if you are clear with it. Okay. So yeah, you just see this here also. If I backspace, so entire value will become. So this is how a particular service fetch API is been using inside a use effect. So this is the things. Okay. So now let me move to the use context. Okay, how I am going to use. So right now, okay. So what I'm going to use is, so in use context. Okay. So I'm going to use context. So I want to change this color. Okay. So I want to change this color. So how I'm going to change it. Okay. Just give me a second. So I'm going to use context to change the color. Okay, so whatever color I needed, I'm going to change it. Okay, I'm going to for now. If I switch it, I'm going to call here a switch toggle. Okay, so if I want to change into black color, dark mode, so it will entirely change into the color one. Okay, this is how I'm going to use the use context. How I'm going to use the entire variable. Okay, so without actually each and everything, like for each and everyone, so entirely globally. So this is where now use context will take place. Okay. So already I have declared that. So now what I have to do is, okay, first here already I have declared my component. So another one you have to declare a folder name called context. Okay. So you have to mention here. So here it will be the color context dot jsx. Okay. Okay. JSX. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import React. Okay, I'm importing React. So then I'm going to export const. I'm declaring a variable color context. So that will be come under the create context. So from my React. Okay, so I'm using the create context. So now export constant color provider is equals to children as a parameter. So now constant declaring a variable. So I'm going to give here the color okay, and then a handle change function. Now I'm going to give constant random color equal to, okay, so the random color mat dot flow mat dot random. So we are going to change the color randomly. Okay, whenever we are toggling that, it can change the color randomly, I think. And 167777215. Passing my random color. So now here what I'm going to do is return. So the first one will be the color context dot provider. So it will be the value equal to card color. Where is that one? Okay, sorry. Color, comma, change color. So inside pass the children. Okay. Wait. So there is an error here. Okay. So now I created my context. So where I have to use this? So I have to use here in my page. So I'm going to first I have to import that. So what I'm going to do is now constant. I'm going to call my value. Okay, the first value will be color. Okay, is equals to from. You have to use context. Okay, so that is the use state management. Here we have to use the color context. So this, so I'm just importing here. So I'm going to call, I have a call here. Okay, so now the color is imported from a concept. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this color. Okay, so in my card here. So how I'm going to call style background color will be card color. Okay, so now I'm okay with this. Okay, so now okay, so what I have to do is I told you I have to toggle the color here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write button and the class name will be btn dark. Okay, so I'm going to close with this and I'm going to click, just give it as click. Okay, so here I'm going to give on click. Here what I'm going to pass is the change. This is okay. This one should be, the function should be called here. Go to here, mention this here, make use of this. Okay, so now go here. Okay, so let me check what is the issue. Okay, so I haven't declared my use context. Okay, wait. I know this. Wait, on call type error cannot restrict the problem. This is okay. So we have to give one of the main thing that we have been missed, it seems. Okay. Uh, okay. So where it is, where it is, where it is. Our pages. So you're right. So this one. So this is how I'm calling here. So go to my main. Okay. So here I have to give the color provider. Okay, so why this? Because I'm passing all over the without with the help of each one, without with each card I'm changing the color. So I'm entirely changing to the single colors. Okay, so that is the purpose. So entirely to the passing the value. Okay, yeah. Now can you able to see, right, how I'm changing my colors? Instead of clicking one, entirely I'm passing into global variable. Is that clear, everyone? If you are clear, just let me know if you are clear with it. Others, just raise your hand, guys. Okay, right. Okay, guys, we'll wind up today. Okay, so there is one more topic left. Okay, so we'll be working on routing. So okay, that will take some entire time. Okay, so I need a full one session for that. Okay, so go with a deep concept in routing. So it will take time. Okay, so for till now, if you are clear with this, how the state management, advanced stack, the state management works, then so we'll look on to the Monday. Okay. So in Monday, I will also teach you the bootstrap. So okay. So right. Okay, guys. Thank you. I'll be sharing the code in Teams.
Okay, bro.
One second, you clear my doubt. I
Ah,
told him I
yeah.
have.
Sorry. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, Monica. Can you just share your screen? Others, you can leave, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Monica, can you? Yeah.
Yeah, I am sharing.
Yeah. Great.
So, see, whatever you do in React, in Visual Studio Code. So, if you
Okay.
want, see, just create a folder and how to run it. I am stuck with that stuff only. Like coding and all we can do, but running it, I am not able to do.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
see here, I have took some students' name with the like I want to see it in the this uh, React icon will come now in that page,
Okay.
but it is showing some error. NPM also everything. Not
Just a minute. Just a second. Right. Just give me a minute. Okay, just give me a second. Let me note it down. So what that error is. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm taking the screenshot. Okay. Okay. Uh.
no,
Okay.
tell me, like, first of all, if you want to run any React code, you just have to create like this, like outside folder, outside any folders. So here, like any folder named React, and
Okay.
go to the Visual Studio Code. It
Yeah.
will show that folder. It will show that folder. After that, you have to open the file, naming like any like array.jsx if you open. So after this, like I have written some code, assume. So here in terminal, if you want to run means how? That
Okay. I'll just come to you. The way the installation you have done is totally wrong. Okay. The
huh.
installation what you have done is wrong. Okay. Just give me the
So
control.
in command prompt, see if I open like if I close Visual Studio Code and if I open in command prompt, so npm plus React is installed. So that React plus White is installed. See,
Okay.
like these both things are different, opening in command prompt and opening command prompt terminal and Visual Studio terminal both are different or what?
So both are totally different. Okay. So there that automatically instead of installing in command prompt, okay, by seeing that, so you can able to install in Visual Studio itself. So there itself you can able to check that what are the issues is. So that is the difference between Visual Studio terminal and a command prompt. That's what I'll be referring always to use that Visual Studio Code terminal. Okay, no need, you don't need to worry. Okay, I'll just explain to you. So just give me a control. I'm just requesting you. Just give me the control. Have you given the control?
Second, it is coming. You have requested,
Yeah, I have requested.
but that message doesn't feel like where to give.
It will come in Teams.
That Teams only give share control, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
just a
I have
second.
given control.
No, I should give the control. Okay, just a
I
second.
have given control.
Okay, yeah. So first one. So what you have to do is okay.
Yeah, teach
Okay,
me like
so
first of all in Visual Studio Code if I want to run HTML, CSS, JavaScript, anything. So
okay,
I'm stuck there only. The error will come there only. Coding everything will. But if I run in terminal, it will show an error. It will show an error all the time.
okay. Wait. I'll just teach you. Okay. First one, let me open this folder. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to create a new folder. Okay. So for HTML, okay. Let me keep it as a website. Okay. And I'm going to create another folder. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create React. Okay. I just
React,
said
I
that
think it
React.
is already there. Give some other name.
Okay.
React 1 or something.
Okay. I'll try to make use of React. Okay. Instead of React, and let me go with front end. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have created a folder front end. Okay. So I'm going here. The first thing what I'm going to do is let me first install the React.
Now,
Okay.
like if I want to clear all this, just go back.
No, you don't need to go back. Just wait a second. Open folder. Oh, new volume D. Front end. Okay. Make use of save. Okay. So now we are having an entirely new folder. So here what you have to do is so now new terminal. Okay. So what is the syntax that one? So npm.
npm start.
No. You have to create the template, right? Just a second.
Like if it installed also, we have to do it from.
Starting, yeah.
This npm create white at latest. I have done it in command prompt. The icon everything came.
So that should be come in a separate folder. See, whenever you are running a application template application, okay, that should all the things should be come inside in one particular folder. I have shown that. So everything is been upside down. Okay, so you have to maintain a well structure. Okay, so don't worry. I'll just teach you once again. Okay, you just follow up this one. Okay, just note it down. Okay.
Huh.
Okay, so npm create white. I'm going with that thing instead of getting started with white. Okay, give the first one. Um, wait. Okay, I'm copy this. Sorry, man. Where is the Visual Studio Code? Okay, so here I'm going to paste that. Okay, so before that,
Here npm create white at latest. My this
so the
name
app,
can be
yeah, name can be anything. Okay, so whatever the application you're going to create, so that can be anything. Like for booking an app, e-commerce, you can give e-commerce. Booking appointment app, so you can give booking appointment app. So anything. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So here, what I'm going to do is, arey yaar, okay. So I'm going to give, okay, as a e-commerce. Just a second. Okay. Either you can give like this or like this also, then it will ask the access. Okay. So see here. So first, no, just include and okay, I got it. Okay. So just give me a second.
Node.js installed already. It is there.
You have installed already. Have you done in the environmental variable?
In terminal, like here in command prompt, I
No,
have done.
no, Monica. After installing, okay. So let me check whether Node.js has been installed or not. Where it has been installed? Which one? Windows C.
Command prompt.
No, 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 no. I'm saying which folder. Is it installed in Node C?
Desktop, I think.
So here it is, right?
Mm.
This is one. Okay. So what we have to do is copy this file, open the environmental variable. Okay, go with edit environmental variable. Why it is not working?
What is this environment variable?
So whenever you are downloading an application, okay, so that application need to be run in your browser. Sorry, whenever it is need to run in your application, okay, in your local desktop. So you have to mention that part name inside the environmental variable. So that is the issue now. You are getting an error. So that is the purpose you are not able to install the anything. Okay, just give me a second. Can you just click on this, Monica? I can't able to access this one. Click on environmental variable. Okay, so
Okay.
now I'll just tell you, go to the part. Yeah, path. Click on that and click on edit.
Edit.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. No. Don't need, no need. Cancel it. Just cancel it. Yeah. Just cancel it. Okay. Okay. So go to click on that part.
Huh.
Click on new.
New.
Why it is coming like this? Mm,
That day when you installed it on Visual Studio Code directly, no?
I thought your previous instructor would have installed your Node.js.
No, like I only
Node.js,
installed.
yeah, you install Node.js. That these are the steps you have to follow. I thought your instructor would have told you. Okay, never mind. I'll just explain you. Okay, just close it. I think you just cancel it. This one. Mm. Wait. Okay. Click on environmental variable. Let me think, Monica. Just give me a minute. Okay. Click on path. Double click. Okay. So here, what you have to do is go with new. Here paste it. That wait. Control V. Just paste it. Okay. Now okay. Okay. Then okay. Okay. Then okay. Okay. Now go to your Visual Studio Code. Okay, and just click in terminal. Give it upper
New
one.
tab
No, you just give it upper one. No need new terminal. No need new terminal. Same itself.
here,
Just follow. Yeah, give it up arrow
up
in the
arrow.
keyboard. Yeah. Now click on enter.
Same error is coming.
Okay, execution policy. Okay. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. So what you have to do is open your PowerShell.
Okay. PowerShell, kill terminal, join terminal.
No. In command prompt, in search one, just yeah, wait. Let me come here. Okay, wait. Here is a window PowerShell, right? Run as administrator.
Hmm.
Okay. Click on this, Monica. I can't able to click that.
Yes, sir.
Run as administrator. Yes. Okay. So now what you have to do is just follow my instruction.
Hmm.
So now write set capital S.
Hmm.
And then hyphen execution capital E execution given capital P capital P policy policy
Policies, sir.
policy no very only policy not policies policy yeah
Ah.
and then again hyphen
Ah.
scope capital S scope capital S
Scope.
mm-hmm. Space
Hmm.
capital C write as current 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 and then capital U
Space, ah.
no write it capital U SER
SER.
SER user SER okay so then then hyphen
Hmm.
write the same execution policy as it is space
Okay. Hmm.
capital R, remote, REMOTE, capital S,
Source.
signed, SIGNED. Now click on enter. Okay. Just give me a second, Monica. Let me check that whether there is another method or not. Just give me a second. Okay, just give me a second. Let me take this screenshot. Okay, just give me a just send me a hi in WhatsApp, Monica. Wait. Let me send it. Wait. Okay. Okay, I have just sent you in WhatsApp, right? Just copy that and paste it. Don't copy like that. Entirely will be copied. Just the text. Yeah, entire text. Yeah. Yes. Still Stein. Yeah.
Where? Here,
Again here. Paste it here. Now click on enter. Now click on Y. Enter. That's it. So now close this PowerShell and go to the terminal here down. No, just leave it. Just go to the. Just click on upper arrow.
Upper arrow.
Yeah, upper arrow.
Okay.
Click on enter. Here you go. And it's going to get installed. Okay, so right now write the project name.
Here,
Yeah, just write it. Just type it automatically. No, you don't click. It will automatically erase. Okay, you just type it.
Any project name.
Yeah, any project name. Okay, and now click on enter. Okay, so go to the down. Yeah, go to the down arrow. Wait. Slowly. Yeah, click on React. I know you are really interested. Okay, make it slow. Okay,
No, I
React.
have done all these in term like whenever I was doing in Visual Studio Code, I used to get error. Then I just
Now,
leave that. I did
nah,
it in.
Baba. Nah, listen. I have thought that your previous instructor would have told you about this. Okay, so that's what I just avoided. Okay, I don't know about this. Okay, so no worries. Any of them are having this doubt. Okay, I will clear it tomorrow. Okay, on Monday. So now for you, just click on React. Okay.
Enter.
Yeah, click on enter. Then comes to down the JavaScript, third one. Click on enter.
What is this TypeScript plus the SWC if I select?
See, if you select TypeScript, there is another one framework of JavaScript. Okay, so like now, usually we are install. You are giving new state, right? So inside there itself, we will be giving the arrow, lesser arrow, and you are using the TypeScript values. Okay, so that is a longer process. Okay. If you have masters in JavaScript basically, then you can able to work in TypeScript. Okay, there is a TypeScript tutorial, you can learn it there. Okay. Okay.
Now CD app 1.
Yes. Okay, then now say npm install. Yes.
Then npm run dev.
Wait. Yeah. Let the first node model be installed. Okay.
Well, by the way, in which company you are working?
Right now I'm not working, Monica. Okay. I'm looking for I'm just switching my field from front-end developer to data science. Okay. For that I'm just doing some courses, and then I'm also working to study my masters. Okay. And right now I'm just is on notice period. I just left the organization. Right now I'm not working.
Which company?
So previously I was work for government organization. Okay, Tamil Nadu government organization for past 3 years. So that is confidential. I can't able to reveal that. So after that, I went on to private sector in a startup company called Code of Global Solution. There I work as a two years. So previously in government firm, I just worked there for 3.5 years. 1 year
Why are
as
you
a
switching to data? Like, this front end has no scope, huh?
there isn't scope. I just want to explore more. Okay, I just want to learn all the things, not just focusing on front end development. Okay. So if one times comes, so you have to do it. You have to study that. So that's what I'm just shifting my focus.
Engineering, you have done engineering.
Yeah, Bachelor of Engineering in Computer
Which
Science.
branch?
Computer Science.
Here in Besant, will they provide placement with the good companies?
Yes, yeah, they can able to provide it. Are you experienced or you are fresher?
Experienced.
How many years you are having?
Almost me 1.5.
In
But
which field?
here
Previous?
React everything I have not used.
No,
React.
no. So what was your role in development in 1.5 years? What you did in the organization?
Like it is product based company. In that entirely some product was there. EV vehicles, you know, right?
Yeah. No.
In that
Yeah. So what was your work? You are a developer or what?
developer, I joined as a fresher. Like I don't know anything about that project, everything. I joined as a fresher. Senior developers were there in their team. I was working whatever like Golang, the little bit of Golang, little bit of Linux, little bit of SQL, mixed kind of work they have given every day. uh, the product development was going on, but they never involved us in the like full development. Since we don't know anything, that go also new to me.
Okay. So never mind.
But
No need. You
here they will provide interviews with good MNCs.
Yeah, they will provide the interviews. Okay. They can yeah. If you have only the experience, definitely they will be provide you the placement. Okay. If you are mastered with this, okay, don't need to worry that. So they will
But
take.
in the but but they are like whether they are provide with the good package, good MNCs or not. I am very much confused.
They will work with that. Okay. They will personally work with the each and everything. Okay.
And
So
last time what happened is this HTML, CSS, JavaScript mock interview. The while doing interview, like in here in terminal only, I think I got error. Only one in he was asking only one question. That
okay.
too in one question, my network went off. He was asking one question in the tags I was doing, but some error came in between. Only one tag was displaying. So that time the power went off suddenly, like network gone.
Okay.
Again I rejoined. Then
Okay.
he was like he gave that feedback as like don't know anything like that. I don't know. In group he said something like you don't know anything like that.
Okay.
But I'm worried whether they will give good placement or not.
Okay. Just once you whatever the assessment you are guys doing, okay. Based on that, I'm going to give the marks. Okay, I'm going to give the marks. So whoever has been submitting the assignment, I'm just going to note down on Monday each and everything. I already spoken to the Besant managers, Vivek. Okay, or how I'm going to train the student and how my working process and training everything has been explained to them. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. I will take care of that. Okay. So right now we'll focus on this. Okay, just click on the local.
Uh,
Just click on the URL right now.
yeah, URL plus control.
No, you just click on. So now you have
Yeah.
started your application, React application. Yes, you have done this. Right, the first step you have done this.
Yeah.
Good. So then you can able to follow my all the videos. Okay, past two classes. Okay, go through it once again and how we have to work on each and every component. Right. So now you can able to follow up the my last two recording session. So there you can able to see how I am importing the component, how I am creating my component, how I am using my JavaScript function inside it. Is that clear, Monica? Now.
Here, let's see. This is front end file.
Yeah.
If I click here,
No, no, no,
it
no,
will it in the
no, no.
same folder.
No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. What you have to do is if you want to create a component or the thing that should be inside the app one.
Your voice is
Hello?
inside the app one.
Yeah, it should be come in the app one.
But
Click on the app
okay.
one. I'm just telling, yeah.
Uh,
So here
here,
go with you have here already you are having source, right? So all the folder is here. Click on source.
uh,
So here you are having main page. What I've taught you, how we are going to import a page here, right?
it is
App.js. So
there.
already it is there. Okay. So you yesterday you asked me what is create a document. So already it is predefined, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now what you have to do is in source folder, okay, click on the source folder, click on that. Okay, go and create a folder.
Folder,
Yeah,
okay.
click on. And now inside source, give the component folder. Okay,
Inside source, you have to give component.
yes, yes. That's it. That's it. Leave it. Components be created, right? And now in component, you have to give the each and every topic what I have dot. Okay, so that folder inside it you have to create a file. Okay, .jsx. So then you can easily able to import in your app environment app. Okay, and main.js. This is how it should be done. Is that
Okay.
clear, Monica? Now
So everything is there. We just have to write the file name and import it.
you import it. That's it. Is that clear now?
Clear.
Yeah.
But that TDTR, we have to use it to display that list, no?
Yeah, we have to use TDTR to display the list. So normally you can
Here,
use.
see, suppose take if I have written the code here, okay, and I have to open with the live server here. Here, option will come no live server to see that output.
No need live server. Automatically, whenever you are changing, okay, the DOM manipulation will automatically render. Okay, if you have started this, right, go to your browser. I'll tell you.
Browser.
Yeah.
Okay.
So go to the first one. You have created your React app. Where it is that?
This one.
No, 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 no. We have created app. Go. There is another one.
In
We just
the
start. We just started the application.
white place React. This one.
No, Monica. No, Monica. Okay. No, no, not that one. Okay, just go to the Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
Click on the URL, HTTP localhost. In terminal.
Here,
Top. Click on this.
local.
Yeah, follow that thing. Okay, so already it is there. So you just close this one because it is in another browser. Okay, so there is two browser has been open. So wait. Close that app. So now what you have to do is, okay, go to Visual Studio Code. Just go to the Visual Studio. I just explain how you are creating. Go to. So here go to app.jsx.
This
App.
app.js.
Okay. So okay, so what you have to do is, okay, so here line number 19, okay, remove that line number 19. Okay, now Control S. Automatically it is a re-render, right? So go and see in your application. Now it won't be there. Go to the browser. The YouTube one.
This one now.
Yeah.
No, it is not there.
So where it is? Re Baba. Wait. No need
That
live server.
one thing
Wait.
which you have closed.
Yeah, wait. Just go to browser, Chrome browser. Open a tab. So here create a new tab. Open a new one.
Okay.
So here write HTTP
HTTP
colon colon not semicolon slash
Yeah. Ash
slash
slash
another slash localhost
localhost.
okay colon wait enter colon 5173
5173.
enter. So there the top of the table React plus white is not there. Okay, so go to your application React, go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, just now, okay, just give the line number 11. Okay, go there, click on enter, keep the cursor to the end of the div. Just enter. Write table tag. You know the table, right?
Table tag.
Yeah, you know the table, how to create a table tag, right? Just one value. Create a table now. A normal HTML, you would have seen the table, how to create a table in HTML, right? The same process you have to do here. Table, THTRTD. Clear?
Okay. Table tag I have used.
Okay, so then what you have to use?
TDTR.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay,
Table data.
okay.
Okay. Name. Then again TD, no, like name, email, contact you have given. You have to use TD. Then for
That wait. That should be come under. Okay, do one thing. Go to Chrome browser. Just go to Chrome browser.
this one,
Okay. Open a new one. Here itself. Keep it here itself. Okay. Click on that. Okay. New tab. HTML table. Table. Okay. Tags. Okay. Go to the first one.
Taxa.
Yeah. Tables. Yeah. Click on that. Just click on it. Okay. So come down, come down, come down. Yeah. So here you are having table syntax, right? Just copy that.
Mm.
First table, then tr, then th. Okay. So table row. The first one is table row. Inside the table, you have to give table row, then table head. Okay. The heading, then table data. Okay. Copy it and paste
Now,
it.
like just remove all these table and
And
just paste.
remove that one. Remove that entirely. Okay. Just paste it. Okay, save. Control S. Now go to your browser. The second one. HTML tab. Click on that. Go to the white plus React. No, not that one. Another one. Another one. Yeah, click on that. Yeah. Arey Baba, click on white plus React. That
Yeah, but here my this screen is coming. That's why. Team screen is blanked. That one. I cannot. I'm not able. You just click it. I'm not able to see that screen. That above that this team screen came. That's why. One,
I
two. This one.
all
No.
no, this one white plus React.
White plus React.
Click on that.
See, this Teams is 1 second.
Okay, do one thing. Except that
Now,
store.
now, I clicked it.
Yeah, so now you can able to see the table, right?
No. Yeah. Table came.
Table. So this is how you have
But
to.
this, it is like list unlisted table.
Okay, so you have to give CSS for this one. Table border. Okay, you have to mention that
Border
border
and
table. Yeah. So see, whenever you are writing UI, so it should be done inside a return. Okay. So whatever the form, table, this div, span, h1, h2, this will be come inside a return. Okay. So other things you can able to do as what I have taught you in the previous two classes. Now you have clear, right, Monica, how to use React application, how to use a component. Okay. If you have any
mm,
doubt, okay, just give me a message so that I can able to rectify that. Okay. Please,
okay.
please, if you guys all of the member, okay, if you guys have any doubt at that time, just ask me. Okay. I
Yeah,
just
but
help.
this React is bit complicated because in HTML you just open just dot any file with dot HTML, just run it and show it. Like in CSS also, JavaScript also easy, but in React you have to in this app.jsx index.c, it is automatically coming and importing lot of things, so it is little bit
That's
complicated.
that is not complicated, Monica. When you keep on practicing, right? So it will be really easy for you. Trust me.
Hmm.
You have to keep on practicing. Okay. When I was in junior, okay, when I completed my college, okay, so I also
Hmm.
keep on practice for at most 6 months till I prepare for interviews. Okay. So you have to keep on practicing, make do some whatever you are thinking. So if you are designing the web application, that should be come in your mind. Okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Okay, so you have to work on those things. So then only you can able to know it thoroughly 2 to 3 times.
Mm-hmm. See
Okay.
here, we created app one. That these things are automatically came inside,
Yeah.
and we have every time we have to do open a so component folder. Every time we have to open a component folder.
No, Monica. One time you have created a component, okay? Now I just teach you, okay? Just click on the component and click on
Uh,
a new file. That is a folder. There is a file one, new file. Click on, yeah, same, click on new file.
New folder it is showing.
You just keep normally right click, yeah,
New file.
new file.
Okay.
Okay. Type as header.jsx.
Okay. Basics.
Okay. So now Type here RAFC. Before that, go to the extension. Wait. There is a left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one. Fifth icon. Left hand side. Fifth icon. Left hand side. No. Entire left hand side. There is a search icon, right? That one. Click this. Yeah,
Okay,
click.
okay.
Yeah, extension. Go there. Write ES6, ES7.
ES6.
Sorry, ES7. ES7. The first one. Install the first one. Trust and publish. Okay. Okay. Now go to the header.jsx.
Here.
Yeah, go to the header.jsx file. No, Monica, go to the application. Here you will finding header.jsx file. What you have created. Emma, at the top of the table. See, top of app.js is there. Go to the header.jsx. In component one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now click on RAFC. Type.
RA.
No, not that. Close it. That closed one. Here type it normally RAFC.
RAFC. Okay.
Okay, so you have created, right?
Uh,
Okay, so Control F, give down Control F. Make this into a capital header. Only head should be capital. Remaining should be normal one. Okay. Another down also.
Here, header.
Yeah. Okay. First one. Okay. Control S.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the source folder and create a folder called pages.
Folder.
Create a new folder.
Ah.
Keep the folder name as page or pages. So here, yeah, click on outside. Okay. Click out.
Page.js.
No, only page. That's it. Now click on right click the page. Create a new file. So there just I gave any page main page.jsx. Okay.
This main page.jsx was there here. Main.jsx it is there here also, no? So we are doing same thing here.
No, Baba. I'm just telling you. Instead of frequently you want to import that in main.js, so, all the component can able to import in the one file. Then you just call one file. That's it. For that purpose, I'm just explaining you. Okay. So now RAFC. Type RAFC.
RAFC. Okay, here this one.
Okay. So yeah. So that's the same thing. Capital M and capital P. Capital M and capital P.
P where it is. Capital M it is done.
No, you have to give main page. See, I told you one is main should be in capital M and P should be in capital P. Just copy that main page and paste it down. Yeah, same. Okay, save. Click on save. Oh, okay. So now inside the div in line number 6, open your arrow. Open arrow. Line number 6. Click there. Click on arrow. Open arrow. The closer one.
Arrow or flower braces?
No, arrow.
Okay.
No, Monica, not this one. Arrow, I told you.
Flower braces.
No, Monica, arrow. Just closer.
Arrow.
This is the arrow.
That tag type.
So that's the tag arrow. Okay. So now what you have to do is header. Type capital H.
Okay.
H-E. There is a second one. Click on that.
Headers.
No, only header.
Okay.
Slash.
Slash.
Close it. Close the arrow. Close the tag. Okay. You have to import it. It is not imported. Do one thing. Keep the cursor in R.
Where? R.
R. Next to the R.
Okay.
Control space.
Space.
Control space. Click on first one.
Okay.
It is imported, right? Click on save.
Oh, here. Okay.
Click on save. And go to your main.jsx. Remove that app and add this main page. Same thing. That line number 8. Line number 8. Instead of app, you have to import the main page. Remove the just comment it. Control backslash. Just one time. Control and backslash. No, not like that. Wait.
Control.
Wait. Leave it. Okay. Control backslash. Okay. So now, wait. So here, okay. So now whatever the changes you are going to do in header, okay. So directly you will be importing a main page. All whatever the component you are creating inside a component folder. So that will be imported in main page. The main page already imported in JSX. That's it. Now is that clear? So you don't need to run simultaneously again npm run dev. So at a time itself, so it will be changes. Okay. So okay, let me explain it. See here. Go here. Okay. So I'm going to my browser. Now do you see? Yeah, this is how we are going to create. Now is that clear, Monica?
Clear.
Okay, so you just keep on practicing. If you have any doubt, just ping me in WhatsApp so that I can able to resolve that. Okay. So okay, Monica, let me. I'm having a call. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Like I was having a lot of error. Like I was unable to do this.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.